Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn Instagram stories into Reels. Want to convert your Instagram story into Reels? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on your saved stories into a Reel in just a few simple steps. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to save your Instagram story. And to do that, just open Instagram and go to your profile. Let's go to our profile by clicking on your profile picture. Now as you see, I'm using a tablet version of Instagram, but if you're using a mobile version, the profile icon will be in the bottom right corner. I'm gonna click on the profile picture. See here, we're gonna go to our profile, and now select the story you want from the archive. Now click on the three dots. Let's see here. Let's turn back. We're going to click on the three horizontal lines to access the settings. And here we're going to click on archive to see our stories. Choose a story from your stories and tap on the three dot menu that says more, and click on save photo or save video. Let's choose a story with a song or a video, not now. See here if this, we're gonna click on a video, save photo, let's click on this. After that, open the Instagram Reels editor by going to Instagram. Let's see here, and we're gonna choose a reel to post a reel by clicking on reel here, and then upload the saved story from your gallery. As you can see, I already saved the story, so I'm just gonna upload it from my gallery. The third step is to edit the reel, and to do that, just add music, text, effects or filters to enhance the video and adjust the video length to fit the reel's format. This means it should be 15 to 90 seconds long. As for the fourth and final step is to post a reel. And to do that, just tap on next and write a caption and add hashtags. Also enable share to feed for more reach, and tap share to publish your reel. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to turn on Instagram stories into reels. Follow these steps to repurpose your content and get more engagement. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.